Welcome back. We begin tonight's forecast a little bit out further west than we usually would. We're currently looking past the Rocky Mountains out to the Pacific coast. You see this pocket of precipitation that's currently sat over states like Utah, Nevada, and California. The low pressure system that are associated with those showers are going to be moving over the Rockies and are going to be fueling up to bring a wave of rain and possibly even thunderstorms to east central Illinois later this week. But before we get there, today's highs, we were beautiful across the entire viewing area. We saw conditions back up into the mid-50s. We were at 56 here in Charleston, our lowest point in the viewing area. We did reach the 60s in Effingham. Now, current area conditions are back down on the decline. The whole viewing area has seen the sunset, but we are still holding on to those 50-degree temperatures, though we are down to 52 in Effingham and in Taylorville, 54 here in Charleston, and those conditions will continue to drop as we move overnight. 37 for our low here in Charleston. We're going to be seeing partly cloudy skies moving into the area overnight. That's going to be clearing out a little bit before the morning, but the main story is the winds coming from the south, gusting at times up to 20 miles an hour. That will help to warm us up even further than we were today. Starting as you get out the door tomorrow, you may want a little bit of a lighter jacket, but 40 degrees as we get out the door. A clear morning. We'll start to see some clouds develop, but by the 2 o'clock hour, should be seeing temperatures back into the 60s during the daytime tomorrow. And as you look at the rest of our breakdown for Wednesday, 62 as we finish up tomorrow. We're going to be clear and we're going to be warm. We're going to be back up near the 60s around 3 o'clock. Those are the wrong numbers, but we're going to be seeing clouds building throughout the entire daytime through to Wednesday night. Now, looking at our futurecast, just let this play out for you because you will see some clouds moving throughout the viewing area. But by the time we start the morning, we're going to be mostly clear throughout the area. But by the time we reach the early afternoon, clouds will be moving back into the viewing area. By the time that we reach the late evening into the early morning on Thursday, you already started to see a couple of those pockets of showers appearing that will continue to move throughout the viewing area tonight, then to Thursday morning. But looking at the rest of the work week, we're going to be seeing conditions a little bit better. Again, Thursday, rainy, possible thunderstorms during the day, 58 for our high. Friday, we're going to be a little bit colder, but partly cloudy skies and humid conditions back down to 50 degrees for our high. Now, I do have a little bit of a look ahead for you. On Thursday, we're picking up right where we left off, 4 o'clock on Thursday morning. As we roll this through, we're going to be seeing some pretty heavy rainfall. We're looking at right around just shy of a half an inch of rain on Thursday, but most communities that are going to be seeing this are along I-70, so places like Terre Haute, Casey, and Effingham are going to be seeing the bulk of these showers and possible thunderstorms as we move throughout the rest of the day tomorrow on Thursday. We're going to be seeing those showers work their way out, and we will be left with mostly cloudy skies to end the evening on Thursday. And that's due in part to all that we're seeing in our upper level jet stream. We've had this ridge of warmer air that's been sat over Texas and the Gulf states. And as this continues to move through, we have a little bit of a trough that's going to be bringing some colder, drier air. That means that we're going to be getting a little bit colder for the weekend. And as we move to our 7-day outlook, you can definitely see that we will be a little bit colder for the weekend, 46 on Saturday, but we will be warming up nicely as we return to the work week, back up to the 60s on Monday and even up to the mid-60s on Tuesday. So we've had a nice past week, but it's time to bust the umbrellas back out again.